Pre-market summary for Indian stock market. NIFTY 50 Index futures trading on the Singapore Stock Exchange suggest that the Nifty could rise 6 points at the opening bell. Overseas, Asian stocks are trading higher on Friday, with investors looking for clues on corporate health and domestic earnings reports and U.S. jobs data for hints on future rate hikes. The Fed raised rates by 75 basis points on Wednesday and stated that the fight against inflation will necessitate further increases in borrowing costs. According to a private survey released on Friday, Japan's services sector activity grew at the fastest rate in 4 months in October. The final Ojibun Bank Japan Services Purchasing Managers Index (PMI) increased to a seasonally adjusted 53.2 from 52.2 the previous month, the fastest rate since June. On Thursday, U.S. stocks fell for the fourth consecutive session as markets awaited key U.S. employment data while factoring in hawkish moves by major central banks. In separate statements, the U.S. Federal Reserve and the Bank of England said it was premature to consider a pause in the fight against inflation. Investors will be looking for signs of a slowing economy in the U.S. employment report, which is due out Friday. After a volatile session on Thursday, the domestic equity barometers ended with minor losses. The S&P, BSE Sensex, the barometer index, fell 69.68 points, or 0.11%, to 60,836.41. To 18,052.70, the NIFTY 50 Index fell 30.15 points or 0.17%. Foreign portfolio investors, FPIs, purchased shares worth 677.62 crore on 3 November, while domestic institutional investors were net sellers worth 732.11 crore, according to preliminary data. Follow us, information is wealth.